Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lamp holder wire harness assembly in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Rotate both light bulbs counterclockwise to release them from their respective holders. Now rotate the two lamp holder assemblies to release them from the hood. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws to release the terminal block cover. Cut the 2 zip ties securing the wire harness. Note the orientation of the wires. Then use the small flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws to release the wires from the terminal blocks. To install the new lamp holder wire harness assembly, insert the wires into the appropriate terminals in the terminal blocks and tighten the screws to secure. Use new zip ties to bundle the wires together. Reposition the terminal blocks in the housing and align the cover. Thread the screws to secure the cover. Align the 2 lamp holder assemblies with the holes in the hood and rotate both to lock them into position. Insert the light bulb terminals into the holder and rotate clockwise to secure both bulbs. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.